Hello, I'm Heather Orr, and I'm going to talk to you about how I did my Project 1 classification assignment for my library course 6338. I looked at all of these items, and the first thing that struck me was the color. So a really simple way for me to have categorized all of these would have been color. But after reading the Management Matters article about cataloging and processing by Pat Franklin and Claire Gatrell-Stevens, when they started talking about the automobile case, I thought it was pretty funny because you start off really strict calling it an automobile because that's what you're told it should be called, and yet kids are looking for cars. They're not looking for automobiles. So in thinking about a practical use for these items, I thought most people would be looking for things in how they were used or where they were used. I added a lot of different keywords, so if they searched up with these keywords, they could still find these same items. So getting started in the kitchen. These are all functional, these are all tools. They're everyday items used in the process of cooking or consuming food. Notice with the mug, I did add all of these other key phrases. So if somebody wanted to cross list and say like, I'm looking for a mug, but I'm also looking for red, then they should be able to pull up this photo of our cat on the mug with hearts and green and red and yellow. Same for our Pyrex. I usually have what the job is that it does, and like use it for cooking, not for eating, for the pot holder. Again, we have our colors. I even added handmade. There are some other items here that I kind of guessed might be handmade. We have a spoon, same thing. Here I probably could have used that it could also be used for, I could have put that it could also be used for cooking something like stirring and preparing food. These are objects that are all functional objects for work. For me, school is work, so I combined them together. And we've got our pliers. If they looked up, it's like there's a tool and I don't know when it grips. Well, they should still be able to find our pliers here. Pencil bag. Look under pencil, you'll find it. Look under bag, you'll find it. And I tried to include some things that were incorporated into the making of it, like a zipper. I really wish I had this cool pen. I think it's a highlighter post-it combo kind of pen. Those look like little post-it flags. And it goes under work as well. All of these objects are going to be for our bathroom. They're functional everyday items that we use to get ready for our day. So hairbrush, functional, white plastic. I'm kind of kicking myself because my son said that I should put bristles, and I think I should have. I would definitely add that to catalog it. We have our bathroom with a toothbrush and the colors. The next items are all for stress relief or for fun, and they can be used anywhere. I have a massager, and I have its colors there. Hopefully somebody could find that very quickly because they probably need it. We have our book. I added fun words like kickback or relief or whatever. I'm hoping the book would be something that would be relaxing. And then I have here under relaxation a candle. It is cross-listed. I felt like it really did belong both in decor and relaxation because different people use this item for different reasons. So I did put it in both places, and you'll see that here. I kind of did it right after this one so you could see. These are all things that are decor, but they're functional in that they're decorative, but they're for a use. Again, the candle, it's decorative, but it's also for a use. This one, you can keep your things in your jar. It'll contain things, and I described the images with keywords and phrases. Same thing with the basket, keywords and phrases and what the material was. Our clocks, this one happens to be wood and triangle and have Roman numerals. This one happens to be an alarm clock with a Western cat. And a mirror. I almost put this one on decor, but actually a mirror is pretty functional, so I left it here. And then we have objects that are really just for decoration. They don't really do anything else. So we have our little porcelain white kitty, our broom woven handle. I wondered if it was functional like a real broom, but it looks like it's something you would probably more than likely hang on your wall. And then the plate. Thank you very much.